everyone, and welcome to our Power Maths. So we're going to continue looking at our numbers to 10, and we're going to start off by singing 10 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. Now, I haven't got 10 little monkeys, but I do have 10 little random things that we can use for our counting. So let me move my camera down. There we go. And we're going to say, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully you can see all of them. So we have got 10, and we're just going to have to pretend they're 10 little monkeys. Are you ready? 10 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." 1, 2 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." 1. 1 little monkey jumping on a bed. He fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No monkeys jumping on the bed." Well done. So you can have a go at doing that song at home. Collect 10 things, it doesn't matter what they are, and see if you can keep taking one away and seeing how many you have got left. Now, I know yesterday lots of you did some really good counting of things that were all higgledy-piggledy and not in the right order, so well done. Now, today we are looking at a picture in our Discover section, so let's take a closer look. Here we are in our Discover section, and I have got a picture here, and I wonder if at
home, you could pause the clip and have a little chat with your adult or siblings, or if you haven't got anybody to chat to right now, you can have a chat to yourself, just like I am on the screen, or to your teddy bear, and see if you can describe everything you can see in this picture. How did you get on? Maybe you said words like butterfly, or insects, spider, and beetles, and ladybirds, and leaves, and log, and flowers, and stems, and webs. I wonder how many of these words you said at home. Now, in your packs, you have got this exact picture. Here it is. But next to your picture, you have got some questions down the side. And the first question says, how many flowers can you see? So looking at this picture, how many flowers can you see? I wonder. You're right, I think I can see four white flowers. Okay, let me just move my camera down for a second so you can see here. That's in the right place. So you can see. There we go. So it says, how many flowers can you see? So we've counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you can, it would be great for you to have a go at writing the number 4. But if you're not confident yet and not really quite sure how to do 4, you can show me 4 a different way. You could show me 4 dots. You could show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lines. There's lots of different ways that you can record your answers today. So it doesn't have to be the number. You can show me in dots or squiggles or lines, anything at all, as long as I can see how many you have. You might even want to try and draw 4 little flowers. That's fine. Okay. The next question, how many legs does the spider have? Now, there's 4 other insects. We know the butterfly is flying, don't we? But there's 4 other insects on here. Now we know on the log that's a ladybird because it's red and spotty. But the other 3, which one's the spider? Where does a spider normally sit? Yes, on the web. So the spider is sitting on the web and you have to count how many legs the spider has. Now, again, you can write your answer in numbers, dots, lines, you can do it in legs. It's up to you how you show me the different answers. So you've got on your page, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different questions I have asked you about this picture. But what I would also like for you to be able to do is to have a think yourself of this picture, looking really carefully, and see if you can come up with your own maths questions, someone else to answer at home. Now, I'm not asking you to write them. This isn't a writing session. You can ask your adult to write it for you if you want to, or you can just say it. But I would like you to try and think of your own questions you might be able to ask at home. On the sheet already, we've got how many flowers, how many legs does the spider have, how many spots does the ladybird have, and how many insects are there in total? That's an interesting word, in total. What does in total mean? It means all together. So how many insects have we got all together? Okay. So what other questions could you come up with at home? You might have, and you might spot here, actually, there's another question. And that question says, how many spots does the butterfly have? That's another question you could answer. What other question could you ask? You might ask, how many leaves are on the plant? You might ask, how many logs can you see? I'm not going to suggest anymore because I want you to have a little think about looking at this picture at home and seeing which questions you can come up with. Now, adults at home, this is a really good task because it means they're having to really look and focus, and they're having to use their maths knowledge to be able to ask a maths question. So even though actually they will be answering the question because they'll have to know if it's right or wrong when you give them the answer. So there's so many different skills they're learning here. They're learning to observe, have a look. They're learning to think of a question they can ask. Then they have to be able to answer it themselves to know if you have got the right answer or not. So have a go today. First of all, have a good look at the picture. Answer my questions down the side, either using your numbers or dots or lines, and then have a go at coming up with your own questions. I can't wait to see which questions you come up with. So if you can, please can you pop them on Dodo for me so I can have a little look at what questions you have come up with, and I'll see if I can answer them online. Oh, I can't wait. Good luck and let me know how you get on. Bye.